At the beginning of almost every workshop that I lead, I ask the group, so what's your toughest question on workplace errors? Anything related to human performance, HOP, safety one versus safety two, the new view of safety, high reliability organizing, resilience engineering, any of that. What's your toughest question? And some people give me a look that says, okay, challenge accepted. One day I was teaching a workshop for about 30 technical experts outside of Chicago. It was at a research laboratory. And one of the engineers spoke up and said, okay, I got a question for you. My boss loves to say that every single accident is preventable. What do you think? And the first thought that went through my mind was, I'm an idiot. Why did I do this to myself? I'm making this hard on myself. And then a couple seconds later, I heard myself say something like, well, I would agree with a slightly edited version of that statement. I would agree with this statement. Every single accident is preventable in hindsight. And the guy who asked the question smiled and nodded. He got it. And about a dozen or so other people out of the 30 in the workshop, they smiled and they nodded. And they got it too. And by the end of the workshop, most everybody else got it as well. We had a really good workshop that day.